is Claire Ivers, and I'm an OQC quality engineer for the formation process here at LG ESMI. Here is one of our labs one of the processes that we focus on here. It's cell disassembly. So inside that lab, we are disassembling cells, checking for visual defects, and then if there's any non-conformances, we're sharing with the production team so we can correct them and ensure that our quality is okay. We're headed inside one of our labs. Inside, we have our first shift cell disassembly team taking apart some cells. We have Gio, Amber, Miguel, and Susan. Say hi guys, you're live. They work hard in here. This is another one of our labs, safety testing area, but unfortunately it's a controlled area and it's confidential, so I'm not going to show you the rest of the lab today. Sorry. All right, here we are in one of our other labs. This is the OQC lab. This is where we work with formation and they deliver us cells so that we can check the performance of the cells. We also measure cell dimensions of the final product. But we also ran into one of our coworkers. Jin, come over here, introduce yourself.
My name is Jin, and I'm in charge of Line 1, OQC, PQC, EOL.
What do you like most about working at ESMI?
ESMI, or for our team in particular, I just like that we have a variety of different processes that we cover, and being that last inspection before our cells are shipped.
Yeah, I agree. I think that's very important. Here's another one of our labs. We call this a cycler room. We actually have two of these rooms. We have one upstairs, one downstairs. This supports the OQC and PQC inspections. In these cyclers, we have tests running non-stop. We're measuring capacity, resistance, voltage, and so on. But we also ran into another one of our team members. This is Rick. Rick, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Rick Solis. Been here for about 8 years, and what do I love about LG? The people I work with, they're great. That's what keeps me coming back every day.
Do you like working in quality?
I love it.
Yeah. Thanks, Rick, for all you do. Have a good day. All right, now it's time to go for the next process. Actually, it's time for me to go home. So unfortunately, I'm not able to tell you everything I do in a workday, but if you want to know more, come and join me and work at ESMI, and I'll show you everything. Bye.